Following my complaint on 31st December 2024 to the WRD, after seeing all this damage to the large cavity being created in the ground at Bamoli, at plot number 358, this comes from the Bamoli Panchayat. This massive, and we have seen for the first time that four springs have sprouted. It's a leakage of the aquifer basically. It's a damage caused to the aquifer. As a result, this is a huge, massive injury to the aquifer of groundwater. So they have damaged the groundwater. Now we are going to ask the WRD to deploy some geohydrologist who will give his expert opinion how to restore this. We have to restore this because this is a massive destruction of environment. Large scale. I have never seen such a huge cavity except in the mining areas. So to see this in the village which is close to Panjim, Bamoli, म्हणजे आमके दुःख बघता. We are feeling really hurt. We can't imagine that these people are so heartless that they are not against development, but not by destroying our groundwater. Tomorrow there is no groundwater, people are going to die of thirst. Everywhere we are going to destroy the groundwater. Where will the water come from? We have called for this urgent inspection. We are thankful to the WRD that within 48 hours they called. But somebody alerted them and they removed the pump. The water which is pumping the pipe in the massive pipe and dumping in the gutter. We got the videos and we got the photographs. They have removed that to cover up their crime. They're saying this is not a hill. They have no hill cutting permission. And the TCB cannot give also hill cutting permission. The High Court has said several times that you cannot damage the environment because hills are part of the environment. If they because they are NDZ, no development zones. If you destroy the eco-sensitive area, this is a highly fragile eco-sensitive. We are asking them to restore this land to the original state. This has to be restored. First of all, hill cutting is illegal. Then damage to aquifer is illegal. Groundwater is illegal.
Floor area ratio.
Floor area ratio is 40%. You can see this is 40%. They have crossed 80%. I'm giving you a rough picture. If you stand here and see how much they have occupied, how much they have dug up, they allowed only 40%. The problem is what? They get away with crime because nobody questions them.
And tree cutting also.
And tree cutting, so many tree cover has been cut.